This video will explain how to become popular on YouTube and earn money without making an appearance. We will show 5 main ways to earn money without showing your face. On this channel, you will get wonderful daily new ideas related to earn money from YouTube. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and help our channel reach the next milestone. Your contributions would be much appreciated. Number 1. Earn with your body and voice. It is a style that hides only the face and sends. It is difficult to come off on YouTube without face, but there is a possibility that it will come off with your voice and body shape. On the other hand, since he is almost a real human being, he has the advantage of being easily called for fashion business projects and guest appearances. Number 2. Earn by speaking out. Most famous way to earn money by speaking out is when you sing or play a game. Since this does not make your face or body sick, it also has the advantage of being hard to get rid of. In the live game, you can become popular if you have cool and handsome voice. People who are famous for playing games can easily aim for corporate projects from game companies, so it is recommended for game lovers. However, it is not suitable for people who want to enjoy everything, as there is a story that even though they haven't made any appearances, they just got caught by their voice. Number 3. Earn without making a voice. The next method is to earn money without making a face, voice, or body is to show your work, like posting the process of making sweets. Since the recipe for cooking is included in the subtitles, it is said that it is fun to understand how to make it, and there is no particular need for an appearance. Others say that they are satisfied just by looking at them, and the sound of baking and mixing when making sweets is unbearable. There is also an opinion. Number 4. Earn with virtual YouTuber. It is also recommended to work as a virtual YouTuber as a way to keep everything out. In the first place, virtual YouTuber is mainly YouTuber that works with 2D or 3D avatars. People who post videos or live stream on YouTube in the form of characters are called virtual YouTuber or VTuber. It means preparing a character to replace you. Number 5. Earn money with videos that do not make you the leading role. It's one of the ways to earn money without showing up on channels that don't make you the main character. In other words, you don't have to show up if you have a dedicated channel for your pet, the clothes you collect, your work, or something else. We also recommend videos that replace the protagonists, such as a channel that introduces other clothes and figures that you have, and a channel that makes works earnestly. That's all for today's video. Which idea is best for you to start? Share your thoughts in the comment box. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.